When a bicycle wheel is tied with a string and then spun randomly, it does not rotate much and falls freely because of the gravitational force of Earth. However, when this wheel is held firmly and then it is spun, keeping it stable for a few seconds, it rotates, and this whole phenomenon is because of the torque. As the torque increases, or better to be said, as the torque acts on this wheel, the angular momentum increases. Now, what is this torque? Torque mathematically is stated as force times the distance from the rotational axis. In this case, force is acting downwards. So by right hand thumb rule, it can be determined that torque is acting perpendicular to the direction of force from the pivotal point. So as the force is applied and the torque acts on the spinning object in the anti-clockwise direction, the angular momentum increases by spinning the wheel round the way, and this whole phenomenon is considered as or known as gyroscopic precession. This phenomenon can be observed in daily life too. For instance, spinning toy top, main rotor of helicopter and in aircrafts.